Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a bunion corrector. So let's open up the box, see what we get inside. So you get your instruction booklet. So for the overhead view, basically it just kind of like walks you through the process, what everything that's in there. So this is the corrector. So has some additional supports, and then you have the bunion corrector itself. Comes pretty well packed in that bag. Let's put that away in the box. So this is a pretty neat little device. So it's going to wrap around your foot, and then this is going to basically be attached to your toe, and it'll actually kind of like pull it out away to give you some relief. And it's got this cool little wire clasp on the side, so it goes in small increments, and then a release. You basically just kind of like push down and lean it backwards. But anyway, let me just demonstrate how this works, and stay tuned. Okay, so what you do is you take this, it's Velcro adjusted, so you can take that out and slide it over your foot and get that into place. And then you have this wraps around your toe. It goes there. And then this strap goes here. Then adjust it down to the side, and then this will give you your support and relief. Like I said, and it's hinged, so you do have some movement on this, and then you basically just keep pulling out until it fits your comfort and discomfort, comfort relief. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.